Hi everyone. I'm Dr. Hemavati, Women's Health Senior Physiotherapist working at Atreya Hospital. I welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a few things about exercises and how physiotherapy is going to play an important role during your pregnancy and also the post-delivery. Nowadays, it is very important to maintain your fitness. What is fitness? What is physical fitness? Physical fitness is nothing but like you are feeling healthy as well as well-being, right? It is not only physical as well as mental, because just you can compare yourself when you are having some physical hurt, like you are having hand pain or leg pain, at least you will be able to get up and move. But when you have a mental sickness, it will be like totally upset. You will not even able to move from the bed, right? And when there is a feel of low, you should make sure your physical fitness is dominating your mental health. And somewhere you will be managing everything, both physical and mental, and it is like depending on each other, right? And coming to fitness during pregnancy, this is how you are going to deal with your pregnancy and how you are going to manage your discomforts and how easily you will be able to manage your labor. When you are physically fit, obviously it is going to make sure like you are going to manage your labor well, right? And your confidence will be increasing. And now if I see like most commonly with what complaints patients have during pregnancy physically, as physiotherapist, I'll be getting lot back pain cases during pregnancy, sciatica, then wrist pain, thumb pain. Most of them will be getting thumb pain, neck discomforts, neck pain also very common. Then coming to abdominal, they may have pubic pain, abdominal pain due to stretch, then hip pains, calf cramps are very common, and we call it as round ligament pain, that is stretching during when the uterus is stretching more, like there are some ligaments around your uterus, they will feel some discomfort. So from top to toes you can see like there are some discomforts. I can say this is happening because of physiological changes that you are facing. And we see this most commonly after 5 months. Why it is more common after 5 months? The physiological changes are very common after 5 months as the baby is growing very fast in the last 4 months. Where you see in anomaly scan, the weight of the baby is around 300 to 400 grams. In the another 4 months, baby usually will increase up to 2 to 3 kgs. So the physiological changes will result in change in posture as well. And where you will see a pregnant women will be increasing their base of support while walking, and lordotic postures are more, right? And as I said, there are a lot of discomforts, and these discomforts will result in even sleeplessness, disturbance, fatigue, exhaustion. So what is the solution for this, right? We cannot take tablets every time. These are all simple things you are going to manage. How you are going to manage? So that is where the exercises are the answers. And there are many number of exercises, and it is very important you should know what exercise you can do, and you should meet always the experts who are experienced in gynec field, gynec physiotherapists, so that you will be getting the answer what exercises you need to avoid, what exercises will be correct for you, and also along with reducing these discomforts, how to improve your sleep quality, then towards your labor, how to increase the cardio fitness, how to face the labor. And we do have some Lamaze sessions where you get trained to manage the pain during delivery. So for particular exercises, you need to consult the physiotherapist, and they will be giving you customized exercise according to your conditions. Yes, there are many exercises we can introduce. For someone who is very safe and there is no complications, we do introduce low aerobic activities. I can give example like simple walking and stretches. So we need to focus on pelvic opening exercises and all type of overall body stretching exercises. Then very important thing is strengthening exercises. So as the muscles, the relaxin hormone which is during pregnancy to stretch all your muscles and ligaments, the relaxing hormone somewhere it will be muscles will be going for little weakness, right? So as I said like before, when our muscles are very strong, we will feel ourselves more fit. So strengthening exercises also will be introduced, and according to particular conditions, according to their pain or weakness, we will be adding other exercises.